Hi, today you will be learning two things. You're going to learn how to make a replacement material for silicone, which looks like this, and in my opinion is much better overall. And you're also going to learn how to copy internal pieces from even numbered puzzles like a 6x6, which I'm going to show you right now. First, let's make the material. You're going to need 2 grams of unflavored gelatin, 10 grams or milliliters of water, and 12 milliliters or 15 grams of glycerol or glycerin if you prefer. You will also need a cup and a stirring bar for now. To make the gelatin mixture, you will firstly need to pour the water into the cup and add the gelatin. Stir the mixture thoroughly and let it sit for a moment so that it turns a bit solid. Then add the glycerin to the mix. You will then put it into the microwave to melt the gelatin mixture. I only needed to put it for about 20 seconds, but this can differ from microwave to microwave. Now, we will prepare our mold box. You will need a flat small container, 2-sided tape, and your internal piece from your cube. And you will put your piece like so. You will then pour the gelatin mixture, and you now have two options. You can either put it in the fridge for 30 minutes or let it sit overnight. The good thing about this gelatin is that it has lots of pot life while still curing super fast in the fridge, while also being super low viscosity. And the gelatin is reusable, so you can't run out of it. Just remelt it and reuse. The only bad thing is that you need mold release because it's a bit sticky. So when it cures, it's very flexible while not losing shape and being pretty hard to rip apart. Okay, let's get back to the mold. I then demolded the piece and prepared myself for casting. I used polyurethane resin, which is a very dangerous material, so I used gloves, a mask, and glasses to protect myself. I then put cornstarch as a mold release in the mold using a brush, and then I mixed my resin. After pouring the resin and helping it flow in the mold with a stick, I waited for about an hour so the resin would cure completely. I then demolded the piece quite violently because the gelatin melts a little bit because of the heat made by the reaction of the resin. If you want to keep your mold, I recommend letting the resin settle overnight and the gelatin will recure. The piece that comes out is super similar to the original one, and I only had to sand it down a little bit so that it would fit perfectly in the cube. After that, I put it inside my 6x6 from which I had lost a piece before and was ready to use it again. Now my 6x6 has regained stability and it's much better to use. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. Bye!